Hello, have you started a YouTube channel that is not going anywhere? Have you tried everything? Everything that you can do. You try to promote your channel, you try to upload content that you really are passionate about, and still you're not getting any viewers whatsoever. Well, that's me in this situation. I'm in this situation right now, and I'm not even sure if this video will get any views, but there are a few things that I learned now that I wish I knew before I started my channel. Here are things I wish I knew before I started my channel. Number one, don't post content that's about you. Right now, you're a small YouTuber and no one really cares about you. That's a sad truth, okay? But I mean, come on, there's millions of YouTubers out there. Why should someone click on your video? And why should someone, what's so special about your video that someone else might not have in theirs? So one thing I learned is you should be posting content that people actually want to see, something that they will actually search up. For example, my tutorial videos are one of my most viewed videos ever, and that makes me think that tutorials are the way to go on YouTube if you want to be successful these days, because everyone is always searching up, how to do this, how to do that, and those are actually things that show up and recommended on the side as well. But if you don't want to do tutorial videos, which is me, I wanted to make gaming content. Now, I'm not saying don't do what you don't want to do. I'm just saying that first, you need to go out there first. You need some traffic on your channel so everyone knows you before you start posting content. Let's use an example here. There's a guy that I know, a YouTuber. I'm sorry, I really don't know how to say his name, but Louis Suberville, I think. He started off making content about different languages and how they make no sense, but also in a way that was funny and educational. And now he plays Elden Ring. He plays live, and that's completely different than what he was uploading before, where everyone's watching it and enjoying it. So just like that, you get traffic on your channel, and then you do upload like tutorials still, but you should also upload gaming content. Let's say if you want to do gaming content, or vlogs if you want to do vlogs. So you are doing what you want to do, but you're also doing what everyone wants to see. Number two, make your videos stand out more than someone else's video. And I know that can be really hard to do, but all you have to do is make a thumbnail that's way different than the title. And what I mean by that is, if the title says, like, for example, in this video, the title will say why you're not getting any viewers and how to fix it, right? And then in the thumbnail, I will put everything you must know. That's just an example. I might do like, watch this video before you start your own channel. And then in the thumbnail, I'll put everything you need to know, or something like that. Not the same thing that you put in the title. And then in the description, make sure you also type out your title in some way somewhere, because YouTube algorithm looks at what the person searched up in the title, tags, and description as well. And number three, make sure your video is not too long, because you're just starting out right now. Everyone knows about the 10-minute rule where you can have 2 ads in your videos, but right now you're just starting off and you're not really earning any revenue anyways. So just make videos around 5 to 6 minutes, because people usually will choose a shorter video than one that's around 10 or 9 minutes, because they want the information fast, because again, they don't know you, but they do need the information. That's the only reason they're clicking on your video. So they want to be there and out as quickly as they can. And those are all the things I wish I knew before I started my channel. If you guys found it helpful, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. It will really help me out. And if you enjoyed the video, then make sure you hit the like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.